that's not.
Yeah, that's usually how it works. That's good.
All right, all you ARRMA guys that are not running Promoto, I need you to marshal, please. All you ARRMA guys, need you to marshal.
No, Matt's still lagging back there.
All right, looks like Ryan, Kurt, and Brett, you guys are going to be our marshals for this one. I believe you're the only ones that aren't crossed over into both classes. Henry, where's Henry? Hey, Henry, our honorary marshal.
Fernando Jose. Tony Vega. Julio Reyes. Ian
Tony, you're checked. Julio, you're checked. Fernando, you're checked. Ian, you are checked. Matt, you're checked. That would be Dave.
Dave Stroud.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and start on the green bike, whoever that is. We'll start us off. Spread yourselves out. Give a rolling start. Everybody go.
Right there on the stage.
Loop is live, drivers. Loop is live. One lap in, Tony Vega, your leader. Dave Stroud in second, Matt Jenkins third, Julio fourth, Ian in fifth, and Fernando in sixth. Fast lap so far of this race, a 29.05. Matt Jenkins. Smoking.
Let's go. Let's turn the speed up there.
Two minutes down, 4 to go. Tony Vega still your leader, followed by Matt Jenkins in second, Fernando in third. Tony on a 12:01, Matt 12:04, Fernando 12:15. New fast lap of the race, 26.5 by Fernando. Tony now just 1 second ahead of second place Matt Jenkins. Fernando 3.8 back behind Matt. These bikes are a lot more fun to drive than they are to watch. Halfway through, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes to go. Tony Vega still your leader, now just 0.6 seconds in front of Matt on the clock. Fernando in third, 1.3 back from Matt. Ian in fourth, Julio 5, and Dave 6. Dave's the first timer out here. Promoto virgin. Two minutes left.
2 minutes left.
Tony's still your leader, now just 1/10 ahead of Matt on the clock. Just 1/10 separated first and second place. Fernando in third, 6 seconds back from Matt. Tony on 13.22, Matt 13.22 as well. Fernando 12.03. 1.5 minutes to go. I still say we need some jumps on the track for these things. Yeah. Matt, now your leader. Fernando in second. Tony pushed all the way down to third.
1 minute left.
1 minute to go. Matt 2.8 ahead of second place Fernando. Tony 8.5 back from Fernando in third.
45 seconds left.
Ian with new fast lap 26.28. 26.28, new fast lap of the race.
Thirty seconds left. Fifteen seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everybody keep going.
Fernando Jose done.
Fernando, you are down.
Tony Vega done.
Whoa!
Tony Vega done.
Whoa! Tony with the big flip.
Matt Jenkins done. Dave Stroud done. Ian Francisco done.
Julio with the endo.
Julio Reyes done.
All right, everybody's done. Final
Riders
running
are
order.
finished.
Matt Jenkins, your leader. Ian in second. Fernando third. Tony fourth. Dave Stroud fifth. And Julio in sixth. Fast lap of the